Love is in the air. Show your loved one how much you care with this adorable Baby Yoda Valentine's Day handmade t-shirt. For this tutorial, you will need a plain white t-shirt, Artistro new 30 fine tipped acrylic markers, and the Baby Yoda sketch. Remember to put a cardboard paper in between the t-shirt to prevent the wet paint from seeping through. Cut out the Baby Yoda stencil to ease the painting process. Time to add some colors. You will need 5 colors, number 1, 23, 33, 53, and 42. Do not forget to shake the paint pens before every use. If you use the markers the first time, please check out the activation video. Start by painting the Baby Yoda himself. Let each layer dry completely before applying the new color. Add amazing phrases from Yoda and don't forget to add some personalization. To set the design, dry the t-shirt completely. Using its maximum temperature and no steam, iron on for a couple of minutes. Do not forget to use the paper between the iron and the design. Now it's time to gift this cute t-shirt or treat yourself with a new customized shirt.